Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I do have another chart on Bitcoin. So this is like a more accurate one, as you can see. So just the bigger picture, 8 hours. So let me zoom out a little bit so we can see where we're going. All right, so I'm counting this as a diagonal now, as a wave 1. This is a wave 2, did the wave 3. And now we are working on this fourth wave. Let me, actually now I can start to move them a little bit on the side. And we are working, on this C wave. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. All right, so. Well, there isn't much to say, right? Maybe that's a little bit too much. Okay, here you go. So this is the top of the third wave. We did the A wave, calculated the fib retracement for this B wave. You can see that we kind of act bend on at the 0.618, $102,000, 184 and 85. Went a little bit higher, and now it looks like, we're going down, right? We can see price got rejected at that level. I think this can also go. There you go. Okay, so wave A. And here for this B wave, we have a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C that completed that. Completed the B wave in a good level. And now price got rejected big time and going down. Also, now we can see that, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. We made a new lower low compared to the A wave, and also compared to this, well, I'm going to label it now so it's going to be clear. This is the A, B, C. So this is a lower B or higher B, depends how you see it. So we made a lower low of this correction now. We need to go lower, and now can estimate more. Actually, let me zoom in a little bit more, and let's calculate how high or how low this C wave can go. So I'm going to put this as A, this as a B. Actually, let me, no, this should be fine. Just double check if the fibs are there. Okay, so these are the levels now that I'm going to watch for. Ideally, we are going to reach 87,505, but we can see that not so far from there. We do have pretty much 85,900. We can round it up to 86,000. Is the 0.382 fib retracement. As you can see, we didn't do a deep correction yet. We still have so much room to go. Because it's a diagonal, we can go and we can go deeper, way deeper. And the blue line here is the MA200. By the time we do that, for sure, it's going to rejoin the 74,000. Let's round it up to $600, or 550, 74, 550. And so that this would be the worst case scenario. Do I see something else? Honestly, and this also is the previous peak, right? So this resistance is going to flip support. So we have a lot here to prevent price to go lower. Now, is that absolutely sure? Not at all. But in the case that we drop to the 0.618, we have a lot of things that can support the price. Do I think we're going to go that low? I don't think so, because usually Bitcoin doesn't give us a nice deep correction like that. So now also I wanted to mention again, from the top to now, we are only made 14% down. To reach the 86,000 would be 20%. So 21% correction. it's very, very normal. So people out there that they're preaching for the bull market is finished and the bear market it's in. I would say that that's a little bit premature because I don't have any. I mean, if we break below 74,500, then I start to be worried. And even so, let's remember that when we have correction, let's say pretend this is a worst case scenario. This was the top, and we go down, then we always have a recovery. So we just need to wait and maybe partially scale out here. But I'm not even, I don't even know why I'm talking about that. I'm totally not considering that until we don't go below this level. For me, we are good to go. Also, yeah, I mean, we really need to go. Yeah, I would say if we go below 68,000, then I start to be worried. But before that, I'm very, very bullish. Let's go and check the RSIs now. So stock RSI reset. The RSI is not oversold yet. Will it ever going to be? Because that's pretty low already. It's not often that you will have Bitcoin, yeah, like oversold, right? We had a very nice week here, but beside that, if it touch the 30s, we're already good. Now it's very, very close. 12 hours. Let's go and check it out. Also, stock RSI is due. Also, is done. So I'm expecting a reversal of price pretty much soon. And let me go back on the 4 hours now. Just wanna check here. Okay, A, B. Okay, so if this is the C, now the thing is, are we going to make, actually, let me go on the other chart now. Now, I'm going to be a little bit surprised. I'm going to remove a little bit of levels now. I would be a little bit surprised if this was already the wave 2, but I mean, it could be possible. And now we would be into this third wave. All right, so we started from here, wave 1, wave 2, and now we would be on the third wave. I don't think so, because this wave 2 too short. And perhaps if I go on the 1 hour, maybe this is just the A, this is the B, and now we're going to do the C and go a little bit higher. I feel adding the 0.618, it looks more right to me. At least the 0.5, we should be reaching at least the 0.5. Let's see how it goes. Also here, what was it? Yeah, it was this possibility 1, 2. I honestly, can I remove it now? Yes, I can. Okay, that's amazing. So removing that as well. So you see, now we are narrowing the scenario that are possible. That one I'm going to remove as well. And for the moment, the only thing I have bullish is this pullback. Okay, this allegedly 5-way up, it's cancelled. We did the lower low here compared to the origin of this alleged wave 1, so that's why it doesn't got invalidated. And yeah, so I'm expecting maybe a recovery a little bit more, a little bit higher, possibly even touch the MA50. If we were having a perfect wall, that would be the ideal level. And then after that, we will go for a third wave. Now, yeah, I'm still looking at this 86,600 or something like that. I think. Let me just check here. Wasn't the other chart a little bit? I think the level, they were not the same. maybe it wasn't the same exchange. That can happen also. So all right, so the level I'm looking still, no, I mean nothing changed, right? I'm keeping saying that the same things here. Let me enlarge. You can see better. Okay, 86,000. Let's round it up to 700. So 86,700. Then we have the 0.382, 86,000, and after that I have 82,700 and pretty much 80,000. These are the levels that I'm watching now. I'm expecting price to go a little bit higher to have a proper wave 2. If not, you know my levels where they are. Can we go lower? We can, up to 74,400. We're good to go. And this is pretty much all I want to share with you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also, if you have time, if you want, you can go and check out our Discord. It's just the beginning. And so yeah, you can make some requests there. I will be more available for requests if you drop them there. And yeah, once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It does help to grow the community, and it's more fun for me because I have more requests. All right, have a good day. Bye.